Hey guys, it's me, your favorite gardening YouTuber. Do you ever pull up to a house and think, wow, that's really cool, but I wonder what's behind the gate? Today I wanted to do a video. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, give you a full tour of my backyard. So today I'm going to take you behind this gate and let you see exactly what my backyard looks like. I know I share a lot of photos on Instagram of my plants and my garden, but I've never given a full garden tour, so today is that day. When you walk in through the gate, first thing you see is the pool. This is one of my favorite corners over here. Got rows of Colocasia plants on both sides of this flagstone path. So my go-to plant is always going to be these elephant ears because they grow so fast and so big and just make it look like a jungle out here. Favorite spot, and it is these elephant ears right here. They are right next to my pool, but I don't know what it is. I have elephant ears growing all around my pool, but they love this spot the best. So I planted these last year and it froze this winter. It got down to like 1 degree Fahrenheit. We had a huge ice storm. I was so sure like they were not coming back, but they did. This is a row, some of my indoor plants, like these Hawaiian Thai plants, my Monstera deliciosa out. And honestly, this space has been like one of the biggest challenges out here just because nothing's really done super well. I have a mimosa tree that I'm trying to grow right here. It's in a cage because the bunnies in my yard keep eating it up. This is another house plant, Majesty Palm. And we have more elephant ears down here. Not as good of a spot for them, I guess. They don't do as well here. Now this is my back fence. It gets the most sunlight in the afternoon. It's full of bananas and cannas. Got trumpet vine growing along the fence, trying to provide some privacy. This spot behind the cabana, also one of my favorites. It's full of these red canna lilies and they've grown like a jungle back here. And even squeeze through. Over past that we have our outdoor grilling, dining area. And there is the sunroom where I keep my plants in the winter. This bed has oxalis, some caladiums, alocasia plants, some more big bananas. This is papyrus right here. This is a low lying area. I think I'm going to do a video soon on how to propagate this papyrus because it's really easy to grow if you have a wet spot that collects a lot of water. Coming back to where we started. Got this row, more elephant ears. The biggest ones are at the end. Then turning this way, it's where I spend most of my time on the tanning ledge. So that's pretty much it. All of my plants. I wanted to show you the full space instead of just the individual plants here and there like I usually do on my Instagram. If you want to see more plant videos or you want to know more about a particular plant, how it grows, how I take care of it, leave a comment below and be sure to press the like button for more videos like this. Subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.